Namaste, Jai Sri Ganesha. Welcome to my channel. This is Prabhat Kumar Patro, and today on the eve of Vinayak Chaturthi, on the pious eve of Ganesh Puja 2025, we are going to learn Sri Gajanana Prasanna Stotram, and I hope I will guide you how to sing line by line this song. The style of singing of this Gajanana Prasanna Stotram is from a popular music sung by Sri Shankar Mahadevan ji, and we are going to learn today how to sing this song line by line perfectly. To learn this song, we have to go through the lyrics, by heart the lyrics, and the perfect chanting of this mantra. Whenever we chant mantras, we have to learn slowly every song if we want to make it perfect while singing. Let's learn its narration first, then style, then first antra and second antra, then ending. So first narration. Ganesha four notations upwards, four notations downwards, then one notation then three notations Ganesha Ganesha Gananayakaya Ganadevataya Ganadhakshaya Dhimahi Gunasariraya Gunamanditaya Guneshanaaya Dhimahi. You can take breath in between these two lines, and there should be a secret breathing. First time we have to sing Gananayakaya. Every part is similar to each other. Gana Gana Nayakaya Gana Devataya Ganadhakshaya Dhimahi. Gananayakaya Ganadevataya Ganadhakshaya Dhimahi Dhimahi. Similarly, second line Gunasariraya Gunamanditaya Guneshanaya Dhimahi. Again on slow motion. Gunasariraya Gunamanditaya Guneshanaya Dhimahi. Gunatitaya Gunadhishaya. This is a little higher notes, and we can make the scale, which is F sharp minor now. We can make the scale little lower by decreasing 2 or 3 semitones, that it can reach up to a D sharp minor or D minor. You can sing it well. But after singing first stanza, first antra, and before the second antra, as in the song sung by Shankar Mahadevan ji, the notations in D minor or D sharp minor scale, it will be little lower, and it might not be that effective. Don't worry about that. You can skip that part also, as because that is a musical part, and you can find out some musical karaokes with that part embedded to the karaoke. Karaoke means the track without the voice, only music. Okay, we'll go further. Gunatitaya Gunatitaya Gunadhishaya 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 Guna Pravishtaya Guna Pravishtaya Guna Pravishtaya धीमहि धीमहि. The next line is Ekadantaya Vakratundaya Gauri Gauri Ri Ri Gauri Tanayaya. Ekadantaya Vakratundaya Gauri Tanayaya Gauri Tanayaya Dhimahi. Gajeshanaya Bhalachandraya Gajeshanaya Bhalachandraya Sri Ganesaya Dhimahi. Gana Chaturaya Gana Pranaya Ganantaratmane Gano Shukaya Ganamataya Gano Shukamanase. Both the lines are similar. Gana Chaturaya Gana Pranaya Ganantaratmane Ganantaratmane Gano Sukaya Ganamataya Ganamataya Gano Shukamanase Se. Guru Pujitaya Guru Devataya Guru Kulasthaine Guru Vikramaya Guiha Pravaraya Gurave Guna Gurave. Guru Daitya Galakshetre Guru Daitya Galakshetre Guru Dharma Sadaradhyaya Guru Putra Paritratre Guru Pakhanda Khandakaya. Guru Daitya Galakshetre Guru Dharma Sadaradhyaya Guru Putra Paritratre Guru Pakhanda Khandakaya. Guru Pakhanda Khandakaya. Gita Saraya Gita Tattvaya Gita Gotraya Dhimahi Gudha Gulfaya Gandhamattaya Gojaya Pradaya Dhimahi Gunatitaya Gunadhishaya Gunapravishtaya Dhimahi Ekadantaya Vakratundaya Gauri Tanayaya Dhimahi Gajeshanaya Bhalachandraya Sri Ganesaya Dhimahi. This line comes repeatedly, that's why this is called theme and sthai in Hindustani classical music. And before going to the second antara, we have Gandharva Rajaya Gandhaya Gandharva Gana Sravana Pranayme Gadyanuragaya Granthaya Gitaya Granthartha Tanmaye Gurile Gunavate Ganapataye Grantha Gitaya Grantha Geyaya Granthantaratmane. Similarly, like first antra, Gitalinaya Gitasrayaya Gitavadya Patave. Again, in slow motion. Grantha Gitaya Grantha Geyaya Granthantaratmane. Gita Gitalinaya Gitasrayaya Srayaya Gitavadya Patave. Geya Charitaya Gaya Gavaraya Gandharva Prikrupi. Gaya Kadhina विग्रहाय गंगाजल प्रणयवते. For bhav, we have to sing like a husky and velocity controlled voice. Like this. ग्रंथ गीताय ग्रंथ गेयाय ग्रंथांतरात्मने गीतलीनाय गीताश्रयाय गीतवाद्य पटवे गेय चरिताय गाय गवराय गंधर्व प्रीकृते गायकाधीन विग्रहाय गंगाजल प्रणयवते गौरी स्तनंध्याय गौरी हृदय नंदनाय. Again, this line. गौरी स्तनंध्याय गौरी हृदय नंदनाय गौरी स्तनंध्याय गौरी हृदय नंदनाय गौरभानुसुताय गौरी गणेश्वराय गौरभानुसुताय गौरी गणेश्वराय गौरी गणेश्वराय गौरभानुसुताय गौरी गणेश्वराय गौरी गणेश्वराय गौरी प्रणयाय गौरी प्रवणाय गौरभावाय धीमहि गोसहस्राय गोवर्धनाय गोपगोपाय धीमहि गोपगोपाय धीमहि गुणातीताय गुणाधीशाय गुणप्रविष्टाय धीमहि एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनयाय धीमहि गजेशानाय भालचन्द्राय श्रीगणेशाय धीमहि. जय श्री गणेश.